Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 715 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, AMC is now accepting crypto payments. CIFR Mining has shared its Q3 results. And a subsidiary of the Nine Limited has announced a new deal with Compute North. But just before we jump into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so AMC Entertainment Holdings, Inc., trading on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol AMC, is now taking payments in various cryptocurrencies for online transactions. This is according to a tweet from the company's CEO, Adam Aron. The full tweet reads, quote, "Big news flash. As promised, many new ways now to pay online at AMC. We proudly now accept, drumroll please, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, also Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal. Incredibly, they already account for 14% of our total online transactions. Dogecoin next." End quote. CIFR Mining, Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol CIFR, has shared results for its third quarter ended September 30th, 2021, including an update on its operational implementation plan and strategy. The company's CEO, Tyler Page, explained, quote, "As a newly formed public company, I'm proud to say we are making great strides in putting in place the essential building blocks for a premier North American Bitcoin mining enterprise. We have made tremendous progress deploying our new capital in a disciplined manner, and in just a few short months, plan to begin strengthening Bitcoin's critical network infrastructure. In addition to our low-cost power purchase agreements, we have a delivery timeline for highly efficient mining rigs, and our site development is well underway here in the United States. As we respond to market dynamics and continue to exercise cost discipline, we remain laser-focused on our execution milestones and preparing the equipment to begin mining in the first quarter of 2022, with a significant ramp-up anticipated for the second half of the year." End quote. The Nine Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol NCTY, has announced that its wholly owned subsidiary, NBTC Limited, has made an agreement with Compute North to provide more than 32 megawatts of capacity for 10,000 Bitmain S19J miners that NBTC will deploy in the United States beginning in the second quarter of 2022. Zhifeng Cai, hope I said that right, that's the CEO of NBTC, said, quote, "We are pleased to be moving forward with Compute North as our preferred long-term hosting provider in the United States. Upon the completion of the deployment of these 24,000 Bitmain S19J miners, we expect to be producing an additional hash rate of 2,160 petahash per second. This agreement helps further our goals of sourcing hosting solutions that offer efficient and environmentally friendly power resources in facilities around the world for NBTC to deploy our cryptocurrency mining machines." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.